so tidy and nice. I wish I had new ones. No problem, I'll tell my mom to buy me new ones. Oh mom, I'm throwing it all, you have to buy me new ones. Attractive ones or just like hers? Oh look, she has got the new pair of shoes. Look at this style, it's so beautiful. Look at mine, so ugly. Not a big deal, I was planning to tell my mom to buy me new ones. Oh, what I see. Yeah, a new haircut. She's so pretty. Tomorrow, I'll wear more beautiful accessories. Look at mine. Oh, what I see. Look at a new haircut. Hers is so tidy and nice. She's so pretty. I wish I had new ones. Tomorrow, I will wear more beautiful accessories.
Hey, wake up! Don't let me start over again. She did that, she's like that, I want that. I pity your mom. Her daughter wants to be the fashion of the school, not the top one. Come on, just use other speech like why is she smart, not me? Why does she have a perfect handwriting, not me? Why does she have more friends, not me? Come on, just use these speeches. Have you ever had a talent or your ability? Have you ever seeked it?
How do you know all of these things?
Don't let me start over again. Come on. Have you ever heard of Ms. Khalat's advice as a psychology?
Oh yeah, Ms. Khalat is always advising us as a teenage how to set our aims, how to improve our skills, how to be obedient, and many more things like that.
So you see, school is a place to educate you, to improve your skills, to make your dreams come true. But remember, school isn't a place to make your mind busy with stuff that tend to affect your studying.